What's up everybody, Chris here, and welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the best tech for your smart home and beyond. Now if you've been with me for a while, you already know that I've reviewed several projectors from JMGO over the past few years. And let's be real, JMGO consistently knocks it out of the park when it comes to delivering high quality projectors at truly affordable prices. Well, with that in mind, in today's video, I'm excited to give you a first look at their all-new portable projector. This JMGO Picoplay. Now this is not even available on the market yet, so consider this your exclusive sneak peek. Okay, so I have now had the chance to spend some time with this sleek little device. And spoiler alert, it's more than just a cute and pretty little device. This right here is the soon-to-be released Picoplay from JMGO. It's a palm-sized projector about the size of a coffee cup from Starbucks. No kidding, so as you can see, it measures just 85 by 85 by 166 millimeters, and it weighs just only 740 grams. It's actually perfect for throwing in a backpack, setting up in a hotel room, or even taking it to your backyard for the next movie night. And then what's nice is it actually comes in two different variants. You've got the standard Picoplay in white, which is the one that I've got right here, and the Picoplay Plus in black, which has slightly better specs, as well as an optional retractable power bank stand. Now, while I haven't had the opportunity to get my hands on the black version yet, both are packed with a similar premium internals, and they share a modern minimalistic aesthetic look that really stands out. Now, from a build quality perspective, as expected from JMGO, it's solid, it's got premium materials, it's got clean lines, and it's got an intuitive design. This thing actually looks great whether it's sitting on a shelf or blasting a movie onto your living room or theater room wall. Now, with that in mind, let's get into the specs because JMGO packed a lot into this little portable projector. Now, from a specs perspective, JMGO really packed a ton of features and functions into this little portable Picoplay projector. For example, it's got full HD 1080p resolution so that all of your content looks super crisp and super detailed. It's also got 400 ISO lumens, which I admit is not blindingly bright like for some of those more full-size projectors, but for a portable this small, it's actually quite impressive. It's more than enough for dim or dark environments, and as you'll see in some of my samples, it actually works pretty nicely during the day as well. It also fully maximizes the REC.709 124% color gamut, which means colors are vibrant and accurate, and they look great from any angle. It's also got HDR10 support, which helps improve dynamic range in supported content. And then it's also got a contrast ratio of 400:1, full on and full off, or FOFO, which is not the highest on paper, but again, for casual on-the-go use, it's enough to make images pop and stand out. Now, when it comes to projection size, you've got a projection size from 40 to 180 inches with a throw ratio of 1.2:1, which is pretty amazing for a device this small, and happens to maintain very nice quality between those different ranges. Now, when I unboxed this, what really stood out to me was just how easy it is to get started and set up. You literally just tap, point, and play. The built-in 88-degree smart gimbal auto corrects and then takes care of positioning, autofocus, and keystone correction automatically, so it pretty much does everything for you when it comes to setup. It also features TOF support for even faster focusing and smart eye protection, which dims the screen if someone walks in front of the projector itself. Now, it's thoughtful touches like these that make JMGO products so consumer friendly and always the top of my list when I'm choosing new devices. Now, one of the best parts and features about this Picoplay, at least for me, is that it runs on official Google TV like most of JMGO's other projectors and products. That means you get native access to YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and a bunch of other streaming services, all optimized for the projector experience. And what's nice, if you are part of that Google ecosystem, you can sign into one account to log into all your streaming services. Another bunch of features that I've enjoyed over the past couple of weeks of testing this out is it's got Wi-Fi 5.0 and Bluetooth 5.0. They're both on board, and the interface feels responsive thanks to the 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigs of storage. Now for a tiny projector, the performance is actually very snappy. In fact, I didn't experience any lag at all while navigating menus or even launching apps, as you'll see in some of the examples. Now, one of the other functions that I appreciate that's built into this little Picoplay projector is that it also includes auto brightness adaptation, which adjusts based on your environment. Now, for most of you, this might not seem like a big deal, but it really does enhance the viewing comfort during longer sessions of play. And it's a great feature to have and something that I've enjoyed over the past couple of weeks that I've been playing with this little projector. It's actually a feature that makes a world of difference if you're in an environment that is constantly changing in brightness, so you don't have to manually adjust that brightness level on your own. And then when it comes to sound, this Picoplay includes an 8-watt Bluetooth speaker, and surprisingly, it's not just an afterthought. This speaker actually sounds super rich and full for its size. The bass is fairly punchy, but then again, I wouldn't expect it to shake the room. And then because of its design and shape, JMGO equipped this Picoplay with a dual mode function so that you can also use it as a standalone Bluetooth speaker when the screen is off. It's actually nice that you can stand it on its side and transform it into a freestanding speaker, which you can use with pretty much every single device and connect it through Bluetooth. In addition to that, there is also a built-in RGB ambient light that adds a relaxing vibe to your setup, especially if you're watching content in the dark. Now, in terms of ports, you do get one HDMI 2.1 port with ARC support. You also get a USB 2.0 port, and then you've also got a USB-C charging port. Now what's also nice is that you can power this via a wall outlet, or you can use the optional power bank stand, which does not come with this and will cost you extra, which not only provides a stable base, but it also gives you up to 4 hours of playback on a single charge. That is perfect for movie marathons, impromptu gaming sessions, or even just binge watching your favorite shows outdoors or even when you're traveling. Overall, this projector is sleek, simple, and works exactly like you'd expect, which is another nod to JMGO's thoughtful engineering. Now, by the time this video is published, this Picoplay projector should be launched and available. And if JMGO's past product releases are anything to go by, this Picoplay projector should easily undercut the competition while still outperforming them in features, quality, and design. Okay, so with all that in mind, what is my honest take on this brand new JMGO portable Picoplay? Well, first of all, it's definitely compact, yet powerful. It's also easy to set up and also just as easy to use. And then third, it delivers great image and sound in a stylish, ultra-portable form factor. And then lastly, it's perfect for travelers, renters, students, or pretty much anyone who wants a cinema on-the-go experience. Now, would I recommend it? For me, absolutely. Especially if the price lands where I think it will. JMGO just continues to impress me, and if you've seen my previous videos on their other projectors, you know that I don't say that lightly. In fact, this isn't just another portable pocket projector. It's actually very polished, and it's a well-rounded experience that delivers way above its weight class. Now, I would of course love to see a 4K version of this device, so hopefully JMGO is watching and will surprise us in the next version of this little portable projector. Anyways, I do want to thank you for watching and checking out this video. If you found this review helpful, please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive reviews. Please also drop me a comment in the comment section below, letting me know what you think of this JMGO Picoplay. Also, are you planning to grab one once it's released? Definitely let me know. I'll leave my link, my discount codes, and any pricing information in the description section below in case you want to help support this channel. Please also make sure you ring that bell icon so you'll get notified when I have any updates on the release and price of this device, as well as any new content that I post. Until next time, keep your setup smart and your vibes cinematic. I'll see you in the next one.